Weird food you didn't know existed. Did you know there are people who eat cheese with live maggots or a very dangerous fish just for the taste of it? What about duck embryo? Our first stop takes us to Sardinia, Italy, where cheese meets live maggots. Meet casu marzu, a delicacy with a twist. Would you dare to savor a cheese alive with wriggling maggots? It's a taste sensation that's not for the faint of heart. Now let's dive into the world of high-stakes dining in Japan with fugu, the potentially deadly pufferfish. Fugu possesses a potentially fatal poison known as tetrodotoxin, thereby necessitating meticulous preparation to eliminate poisonous components and prevent the fish meat from being contaminated. The symptoms of tetrodotoxin poisoning include dizziness, exhaustion, headache, nausea, or difficulty breathing. The person remains conscious but cannot speak or move. In high doses, breathing stops and asphyxiation follows. Imagine a dish that could be your last. Fugu comes with a side of culinary danger. Every cut matters in this gastronomic gamble. Let's go to the Philippines, the world of balut, where duck embryos take center stage. This might be a global culinary curiosity, but it's no looker. This 18-day-old fertilized duck egg, with its wild textures, has spooked even the most fearless foodies, earning its place on lists of the weirdest, grossest, strangest foods around. Want to know more? Let us know in the comments section. Until then, bon appetit.